Now we're looking at this over here to see what's going to need to be done, and we're not sure what's going to need to be done to secure that leak, but it might leak forever. Just to let you know that the garage door open, brand new, is $275. If you can't fix this, it's $275. If you can fix it, it might be $100. But if you can't fix it and you need a new motor and everything, a new light and everything, $275. The air handle is working. The hot water heat is working. We just had on the hot water, so the hot water works fine. It's set to a very low number. If you could see that inside here, it's set to a very low number. Banks tend to do this when they take over ownership of a home. So very low number. Temperature. This door, he brought up the door. He said it might cost $30 to fix it. If it doesn't cost $30, the maximum it's going to cost, if he has to put some new, things on the bottom, $75. So the doors are $75. The exterior, all the outside, painting the whole house, $1,200, and seals all the cracks. I said, what about just sealing the cracks? He says, Dean, you crazy. Why would you just seal the cracks? So he said, brand new paint, $1,200. And we discussed this. And again, we were cut off before the memory died on this. There's nothing else to do on the inside of this home. You've got all new 6-panel doors, tiled everywhere. Wherever it's not tiled, it's got fresh carpet. Now, they're putting a bid out to find out exactly how much the air conditioning is. So the seller is looking into seeing how much it's going to be. We don't know that yet. So, and if he's willing to fix it, we don't know that yet. But otherwise, think about it. What do you have to do with this house? You buy a refrigerator, you move in. I'll talk to you later when you get this video. Bye.